Hi everyone, I am back today because I want to share with you a before snapshot of a project that I'm going to begin today, and that is the start of my studio sound booth. So I'm up in the green room. I call it the green room mostly because of this gorgeous panels that you see behind me. These are room dividers that I purchased from an estate sale for $40. I mean, $40, look at that. Super cute. 7 foot high, feature wall, and headboard. I love the colors. So anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see this closet that I am going to convert into my sound booth. Check it out. So this is the closet. I've already measured it out. It's 36 by 36, and it's very, very dingy.